One bone, two solutions. 3D printing or CNC machining. Who will lead the future of craniomaxillofacial reconstruction? First, technology comparison. CNC mills parts by cutting them out, leading to high material waste and cost. 3D printing builds layer by layer, customized implants, precisely tailored to the patient's face. Next, clinical challenges. Traditional machining uses standardized parts on unique anatomies, a forced fit at best. This leads to longer surgeries and higher infection risks. 3D printing uses your anatomy, my model, which is fully personalized, faster recovery, and fewer complications. Third, time efficiency. To machine a cranial plate, programming, fixtures, tooling, a half-day process. With 3D printing, just slice and print. A complete implant in 2 to 3 hours. Streamlined, efficient. Commercial delivery within 12 hours, revolutionizing turnaround time. In today's healthcare market, cost control, efficiency, and precision medicine have become the main themes. Many countries are actively advancing value-based healthcare VBHC. Titanium cranial plates involve high processing costs and poor anatomical fit. In contrast, 3D printed PEEK solutions combine mechanical strength with excellent biocompatibility. They allow for fully customized implants at the preoperative design stage, helping hospitals improve quality, increase efficiency, and reduce postoperative complications. These features are also highly attractive to healthcare payers and insurance systems. Data shows that, in North America, Europe, and the Middle East, PEEK's penetration rate in CMF reconstruction is steadily rising. 3D printed PEEK implants are gradually replacing traditional titanium plates and CNC machined parts. Lightweight, strong, radiologically compatible, and surgically efficient. These advantages are gaining increasing recognition from surgeons and procurement teams alike. Will CNC machined PEEK or 3D printed PEEK dominate the market? Perhaps each has its own place, depending on the clinical scenario. But clearly, as a key part of digital medicine, 3D printing is rapidly reshaping the landscape of CMF reconstruction. What's your view? Will the future of craniofacial reconstruction belong to 3D printing or traditional machining? Join the discussion below and cast your vote for the future. In our next episode, we'll reveal how 3D printing is bridging medicine and material science, enabling true bone regeneration.